Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Director General of Police ka Gnla Dr. Lajaram Bishnoi ulaong bakatanat pulit kadang pan kaipot nagi district kum kajing pensisya halor kajing tip ka ba aiksai pakadon kajing persyang ban Khie Biang ya kinhon king sulai kata ka Garo National Liberation Army habakinong tok khubor kilabu jingkli halor kani mentakas ngi baar ka khanre tarik jemang Dr. Bishnoi ulaong bagi jingtip ki bakatanat pulit ka yoksai tangkum ki jingtip bat kita hap an Pyntikna kum ta ulaong badai halor kani bala pha jing tho shi district ban pan kaipot kum ka jing pensisya pat hadin kata unsala ban ong AA habakali pat halor kata ka jingtip ka bapaw bakidon kum basan spa ngut kidkhot ki bala sha hikai ulaong gani gani ka jingtip ka bala yoklum ni telong khubor bat yakaniru andang hap an Pyntikna.
That was input only, and inputs remain input until it is verified. So we have written to the district for verification. Once the verification report received at our end, then only I will be in position to comment on this. So inputs have come, inputs have been received from sources, and we always do verification of such inputs. With the routine, so many inputs keep coming, and once, as and when any input received, we generally verify it through the field officer, and the same thing is done in that input.
But the inputs are stating that over 500 cadres are being trained
That is why I told you input remains input until it is verified. So after verifications only, once the reports are received from all the districts, we will be in position to what is the authenticity of this input.
By when?
Find this input in their respective areas, and once verification is complete, they will submit report to us.
By when is it likely to get?
So timeline, though we have not fixed any timeline. It may take time because some interior areas are there. They have to check and cross-check from each and every remote area. I think within a week probably they will submit.